Looking to unlock the full potential of your Firestick easily? You've probably heard of IPTV Smarters, but confused on where to start. Let's dive straight into downloading IPTV Smarters on your device now. First off, head to the Amazon App Store using your Firestick remote. In the search bar, type IPTV Smarters to locate the app quickly. Once found, click on the app to start the installation process instantly. Wait for the installation to complete, then open the app for the next step. You'll need to enter your IPTV credentials to start enjoying streaming. Here's where 2TV.store comes in as the ultimate IPTV provider choice. Experience an incredible selection of channels, satisfying your need for variety. Exclusive HD content and seamless streaming elevate your viewing journey. Try 2TV.store. Outstanding service with easy integration for your Firestick. Explore, enjoy, and experience the best uninterrupted television experience. This setup process is straightforward, bringing global content within your reach. Say goodbye to complex TV solutions. Embrace IPTV Smarters today. Subscribe to 2TV.store, transforming your media landscape entirely.